Okay, let's cook moringa now. Let's cook moringa now. The ingredients of the moringa menu is moringa leaves, okra, sweet yam, mushroom, and eggplant. We are boiling the water with the fish sauce already. I added the fish sauce already, 2 tablespoons. The volume of the water is half the container or the pan. That's the correct taste. The water is now boiling. A while ago I cooked already the fish fillet or the tilapia fillet, so the tilapia fillet is done. So the soup inside got a taste of the tilapia fillet. The taste is already okay. So we are waiting this one to boil a little bit. I'm eating the sweet yam because we could eat this one raw. Okay, the trick here is we should place the veggies according to hardness. I think the hardest one here is this yam here. But since it is chopped in cubes, this is easy to be cooked. We could cook this one in 2 minutes maybe. So I'll be placing the yam already inside. Oh, sorry. The next one will be, we could put the yam and the mushroom next to it, the mushroom next to the yam. Anyway, this yam here, we don't eat this, this mushroom here, 80% cooked or 70% cooked. It should be fully cooked, so we could place this one inside. Then we'll try to cover this one. I'll put a little opening so it will not overflow. It's hot today, guys. So I'm bringing out my cold water here. I'll be drinking cold water while cooking. It's hot today. The proper way to cook the yam and the mushroom is that we must have to estimate it. They are cooked already, So it's boiling already. And if we try to taste the soup, it got the taste already. The taste of the tilapia fillet plus the fish sauce. It's not too salty, just to taste, want to fully cook the mushroom, you know. We don't eat mushroom raw or 80% or 70% cooked. It should be fully cooked, you know. The next one we will be placing inside will be the okra. Okra, we could cook this one in 2 minutes, you know. The yam is cooked already. And so with the mushroom. So I'll be placing now inside the okra. So 2 more to go. The next one to be placed inside will be the eggplant, and the last one will be the moringa leaves. I'll try to cover this one. The good thing about the moringa is that you should have a vegetable mixed with it, such that when it is cooked, it will go slippery. For us Filipinos, if we don't have the okra, we use the so-called saluyot. It's a leaves that when it's cooked, it will be slippery. Because if you try to eat moringa, okay, we need it to be a little bit slippery, you know. Like what I said, we don't have the saluyot, so I use the okra. So I will not overcook the okra. I could place inside now the eggplant. So 4 veggies are already inside. The yam is cooked already. The mushroom is cooked. The okra is 50% cooked. So I catch up with the eggplant because eggplant is also not so hard vegetable. It's easy to cook. We could cook eggplant in 2 minutes only. I will try to close this one a little bit. I'll try to bring the camera near the cooking pot. Okay, that's what we are cooking, guys. The one inside, we got yam, mushroom, okra, and eggplant. So as soon as the eggplant is maybe 50% cooked, so we will not overdo it. I'll place inside the moringa leaves. So we will not overcook the okra and the eggplant. Okay. I try to place the moringa now gradually. You know. This is the last part, the moringa, the so-called malunggay. Moringa have so many beneficial things on our body. If you try to Google the benefits that we could get from moringa, there are so many things which are good to our health. So I just placed the moringa inside. That's the last one to be cooked, you know. That's the moringa. Okay, so I'll try to stir this one. Oh, alin na kayo. Luto na ito. Hindi, okay na nagko-conversation tayo, walang problema yan. See guys, how beautiful it is?
I can smell it. It smells good.
Yeah,
Oh, yummy.
that's how beautiful it is, you know.
Wow.
Yummy. Oh,
Rosie is watching how I cook tonight.
Tastes good. Tastes good.
Yeah, it is good. I don't want to overcook the, you see guys, we didn't want to overcook the eggplant and the saluyot. Because the moringa leaves, it's easy to cook. You could cook that one in 1 minute, you know. Okay. That's it guys. It's cooked already. And the toppings is here. It's the, what you call this, tilapia fillet. So with these vegetables, it's the so-called moringa menu. Okay, it's done. The toppings is this one, it's cooked already. So I don't want to overcook the eggplant and the okra. I'll try to shut off this one now. Okay, I'll try to shut off this one now. Good evening from Los Angeles.